Hello to the Equalist Empire! So as you can see, this week I'm doing a collab video with Monica Yadav and Ruchi Gokhale. Sex education exists in my school as well. We had sex education, but just for the namesake of it, right? You know, still so many of my friends, they don't know so many things about, forget about sex, they don't know so many things about their own body, about periods. So this video is going to be about period myths, and I'm going to speak about some myths, so you tell me if it's a fact or if it's a myth. Can you go swimming when you're on your period?
I guess you need tampon, so if you're wearing a tampon you can go and swim, but I guess not with pad. So
I have gone for swimming with the pad, so
You can easily go swimming on your period, but if you wear a tampon or a menstrual cup, but not when you're wearing a pad. It's actually fine. It's fine for you, but it is a little unhygienic for the other people around you.
one of her friends were on her 4th day or something. You know how Goa beaches are, like waves are coming. She lost her tampon.
You cannot have sex on your period.
you can, but it will become dirty. Like your bed sheet.
I don't know actually, because
Never thought of it?
no.
Do they like transfer the infection? Like, are there chances of infection? You have any idea?
No, there's no infection in your period blood. And the second thing is, it can get messy if it's on the first few days, but if you are, there are specific positions you take up. If you take up like the missionary, there's no problem, but if obviously because of gravity, if the woman is on top, then it's going to be really messy.
Monica, don't imagine.
You can't get pregnant on your period. True or false?
True. Yeah, I said that before.
True. Yeah, true.
That's false. Always use protection because you can get pregnant even on your period.
No.
Yes, because the sperm can stay alive inside you for a long, not such a long period of time, but if it's towards the end of your days, so it can stay in there and you can become pregnant. It's a very low chance, but you can get pregnant on your period.
I was not knowing that.
You cannot wear a tampon if you're a virgin. True or false?
False.
Okay, I thought you all would say true because a lot of people think that that tampons would rupture your hymen, but it doesn't. They're really tiny to do that. And the second thing is, okay, now the next question, which again leads to it, that if you wear a tampon, do you lose your virginity?
False.
No. I mean, false.
Yeah, that's also again a lot of people who feel that wearing tampons makes you
That's a
lose
myth.
your virginity.
Yeah,
I guess
that is a very big
Yeah,
myth.
and I guess we are educated, so
Educated people. Okay, PMS happens during the period.
I don't get any PMS. Like, I
No,
am
but
normal.
in general.
But sometimes I feel that girls overreact.
I don't think
overact
I don't
during
think I have
that
gone-
time, and they just blame it on PMS.
So tell me, do you think PMS is on your period?
No,
No,
like not with
no.
me.
It's
Okay, so I'll tell you why. What is the full form of PMS? Do you know?
Premenstrual stress.
That's the whole point. What everyone in the world doesn't get. It's premenstrual syndrome. You don't PMS on your period. You PMS like a week before your period. That is the biggest one. That's why a lot of on periods, if someone is a little irritated, that is very generic because obviously you're bleeding and you're getting
PMS during the period, so that is like
PMS is a legit thing, but it doesn't happen on your period. It happens like 7 days before your period. You lose a lot of blood during your period. True or false?
false. I've read it somewhere, like 30 ml.
How much do you think you? What do you
It's
say?
very little.
true.
You actually lose like around 4 tablespoons of blood. That's it.
Yeah, so I guess that is
Yeah.
30 ml.
That's very.
4 tablespoons of blood.
Hmm.
4 days of pain.
So this is more of an Indian thing. So in your houses, do you have anything like, when you have your period, you can't do some specific stuff?
Not at all.
Some houses do.
No,
at
at least with my family, it's not like that.
My family didn't have, but my cousin's family had the problem. So you cannot enter the kitchen or
go to the temple.
go to the temple. Yes, for 4 days. And that point today, everyone gets to know that this person
Yeah.
is menstruating.
During earlier days, women used to do everything. So this was like indirectly giving them a rest,
rest,
from
yeah.
their course.
But today it's not needed and it's
Yeah.
still followed so strongly.
I've never talked so much about periods.
During school time, we used to talk about periods only during sleep.
I don't know. I don't. Huh?
Periods.
Yeah.
Oh, we used to talk about only crushes. Who has a crush?
Now, menstrual blood is the same as your normal blood.
True.
That is very, very true. A lot of people feel that since it comes out of your vagina
Yeah.
for some weird reason, it is not the same blood. It is
still the same body.
Yeah, same. The only thing is that at times with it, there is a uterus lining that comes along with the blood, but otherwise the blood in
It's
general
same.
is the same. So tell me about some period myths that you have known or about any funny period stories.
Yeah, we can
with you.
discuss. Yeah,
Yeah,
we
we
can
can discuss
down, yes.
down in the comments down below. And like this video and share this video and subscribe to all three of us. This is Monica and this is Ruchi, and we did videos on their channel as well. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. And bye bye. See you soon.
Bye.